Thanks for joining today. I'm Joe Peterson. I'm the Vice President of Cloud and Security for Clarify 360. I'm here today on behalf of the CTO Advisor and their Cloud Everyday series. And we are still talking about Google Cloud Security. And today we're going to talk about GCP Chronicle SIEM. So Chronicle SIEM is part of the Chronicle Security Operations platform, and it delivers modern threat detection and investigation with integrated threat intelligence at an unprecedented speed and scale, and at a disruptive and predictable price point. So here are 5 key features of the product. It provides single correlated timeline view of a threat. So by unifying and enriching all of your security telemetry into a single timeline, Chronicle gives you an unparalleled view into your security posture. By combining this data with Google Threat Intel and flexible rules, you get this unmatched analytical power that provides actionable information in seconds or minutes, not hours or days. Second, context-aware detections. You can write better detections, you can prioritize existing alerts, and you can drive investigation faster with supporting information from authoritative sources such as CMDB, IAM, and DLP that are baked into the security event. So the detection and alerting only escalate important threats with scoring based on contextual, say that 3 times fast, vulnerability and business risk. The third thing is that it turbocharges security for your Google Cloud workloads. Pretty important if you're running Google in production. Consolidate and correlate security telemetry with other Google Cloud products in your portfolio for one view of that threatscape. So Security Command Center metadata / findings, BeyondCorp smart access decisions from EDRs and logs, queries into BigQuery, Looker custom default dashboards, reCAPTCHA that we talked about last week, end user phishing and fraud alerts, and Google Workspace logs. These are all seamlessly integrated into Chronicle SIEM. Next, automated continuous retroactive IOC matching. So you get this instant correlation of indicators of compromise, IOCs, against 1 full year of security telemetry. You get out-of-the-box intelligence feeds for IPs, domains, URLs, files. You get support for customer-owned threat intelligence subscriptions and threat intel platforms. And then lastly, integrations and APIs. Chronicle provides high-performance APIs that expose functionality to downstream enterprise and MSSP SOC playbooks and tools like ticketing, SOAR, dashboarding, while also enabling sending data directly to the Chronicle data pipeline without the need for a forwarder. If you like my content, ring my bell on my profile so you're the first to see my post. You can follow me on Twitter at ClearTech or on YouTube at ClearTech Research. Or if you need cloud security or cybersecurity assistance, Clarify 360 has you covered. Thanks for joining.